In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Notion for budgeting, 50-30-20 rule. We'll build a simple, reusable system that keeps your money organized and aligned with the 50-30-20 framework. The idea is straightforward. Aim to spend about 50% of your income on needs like rent, utilities, groceries, and transportation, 30% on wants such as dining out, subscriptions, and entertainment, and 20% on savings, including your emergency fund and investments. Our goal is to track income and expenses and see how closely you follow those targets. Start by creating a fresh page in Notion and name it something like monthly budget, 50-30-20. This will be your budgeting dashboard where everything comes together. On that page, add your income database. Type/table and choose table, full page, then name it income tracker. Add three properties: source as a title field for where the money came from, amount as a number in currency format, and date received as a date. This gives you a clean log of the money flowing in. Next, create your expenses database. Add another table called expense tracker with these properties: expense name as a title, amount as a currency number, category as a select field with needs, wants, and savings, subcategory if you want extra detail like rent, food, or fun, and date as a date. This is where you'll record every transaction. Be intentional about assigning each expense a single category based on the rule. Clear, consistent classification is what makes your totals meaningful and your insights accurate. To see your total income, set the amount column in the income tracker to sum at the bottom. That number is your monthly baseline. For expenses, create three filtered views in the expense tracker: one for needs, one for wants, and one for savings. In each view, set the amount column to sum so you can instantly see how much you've spent in that category. Now compare your results to the 50-30-20 targets. Calculate needs as 50% of total income, wants as 30%, and savings as 20%. If you like, add a small table or formula fields to display your budget limit, actual spending, and the difference so you can spot overages quickly. To make the data easy to scan, consider visual indicators like progress bars using formulas, simple color coding for each category, or charts if your workspace supports them. Bring it all together on the dashboard: an income summary, category totals, and a budget versus actual comparison. Update it regularly, log expenses as they happen, and review weekly so it stays accurate and useful. At month's end, duplicate the page and reset entries to build a month-over-month history. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more Notion tips and tutorials.